In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline an image in Photopea 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional outline around your subject that works great for stickers, thumbnails, and social posts. Start by opening Photopea in your browser. At the top, go to File, then Open, and choose the image you want to work with. Give it a moment to load. This brings your photo onto the canvas and into the Layers panel, where we'll do most of our work. If your image has a background you don't want, remove it first so the outline hugs the subject cleanly. Go to Select, then Magic Cut. You'll see two brushes in the sidebar. The green brush marks what you want to keep, and the red brush marks what you want to remove. Paint loosely at first to set the general areas, then zoom in and reduce the brush size to refine edges like hair, hands, or curved objects. Keep an eye on the live preview to make sure the subject is fully selected and the background is gone. When it looks right, click OK. You should see your subject isolated, often with a transparent checkerboard behind it. Make sure the subject is on its own layer with a transparent background. In the Layers panel, you should see just your cutout subject. If anything from the old background remains, use the same Magic Cut window again to clean it up until you're satisfied. Now let's add the outline. Double-click the subject layer to open Layer Style, or go to Layer Style, then Stroke. In the stroke settings, set position to outside so the edge stays crisp and doesn't cover any part of your subject. Adjust size to control thickness. Something in the 5 to 20 pixel range works for most images, but this depends on your canvas size and how bold you want the outline to appear. Choose a color that stands out against your design, and leave blend mode on normal for a solid, reliable edge. When you're happy with the preview, click OK. You now have a clean outline around your image. If you want the outline to look stronger, duplicate the subject layer with Ctrl+J. Stacking a duplicate keeps the same style and can make the edge pop more. Alternatively, reopen the stroke settings and increase the size. To finish, go to File, Export As, and choose PNG to keep the transparency. Save your file, and you're done. Enjoy your outlined image, ready to drop into any project.